What's up, guys? After a long, terrible winter and a lot of delays, the Blue Mule is ready to run. Tyler says that it's got a tune in it. Introduce you to Tyler Sidecar. He's going to be the one tuning our Gen 5 stuff. And everything's pretty much wrapped up. We're basically today going to get a base tune in it, make sure it runs, there's not tons of leaks, and fix any little things we need to. And then we're going to ship it off to him and let him get the direct injection all tuned in and ready to go. And then we're going to put it on a dyno here in a week or two and let her rip. So without further ado, hopefully Tyler's got this thing ready to go. Okay guys, so everything's up and running, no leaks, that's a good thing. That's always the biggest pain in the butt. Couple things we gotta change. It's really mad that it doesn't have the exhaust cutouts, so we gotta figure out if we can somehow program those out of the system or plug them in and just tie them up underneath the car, which is less than desirable. And a few other small fixes, but pretty much it's ready to go. So a couple tweaks this week. We do have to send the ECU in to HB tuners to have them unlock the TCM on it, and then they'll send it back and we can start doing transmission tuning. Before that, we can't really do a whole lot. All we can do is idle tuning. So we'll get that sent out today. We'll get those exhaust cutout things fixed and tie up a few loose ends, and then hopefully take it down to Bowling Green next week for the streetcar reunion, just to show it off a little bit. Then we'll be dropping it off to Tyler Sidecar at Sidecar Performance, and he'll work his magic with it, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned. There'll be a lot of videos and cool stuff coming very quickly on this thing.